And this is how to get a custom ringtone. Alright, so here's how to make your own custom ringtone. So first, go to GarageBand, make an entirely new song, and just create a song like this. Hold on, I'm gonna fast forward to later. Not exactly the best banger I made, but whatever. Yeah, so and then you're gonna go over here, and if you want, you can change the name of it. I'll call it ringtone. And then what you're gonna do is hold down here if you're on your phone, share, and you want to either tap song or ringtone. But you can just, but for this, you can just tap ringtone, and for the sake of it, we're calling this ringtone. So smart title. And now we can do this. Use sound as, and then you can pick either standard ringtone, standard text tone, or assign to contact. But for this video, we're going to do standard ringtone. And if my calculations are correct, it should be right here right now.